Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my orthographic projection video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you should be able to sketch the isometric projection for this, as well as the orthographic projection for this. Yep. So this figure, the base is curved with a cutout section. The upper section also is curved with a hole. So this will be my isometric view. Here will be my front, plan, and end. Let's get started. So the first thing to do here is to establish my horizontal and vertical datum line. Next, my 30-degree angle line. Next, on the side. My next task is to establish the ratio, length, width would be about here, and height would be someplace here. Yeah, so length has been established, width and height. Next step is to develop that. Then transfer this distance here. Then this here, that there, that there. Unfortunately, this cuts into this, but it's not really a big deal. We can work with it still. So I will be drawing this like this. So I probably should use the full length on this side. In this case, the full length should have been here. Full length should have been here. The width should have been on this side. Yep. So when drawing isometric figure, it is extremely important that you draw a complete block first. Yes, draw the complete block first. Now this is assumed to have a thickness of approximately 10 millimeters. So my next step is to establish my thickness. Two parallel lines here, one here, and I'll join those this like that. Here is assumed to have a thickness of 10 as well. Here, then from here to there, then from here to there. That part has been established. I'm just gonna fade this part out. Remember, you're not supposed to erase your construction lines. Okay, you're not supposed to. Right? They should remain. My next step is to draw this isometric circle. So I get my center there. Isometric circle. Next is the, oh, here is isometric as well. That part is done. Now it's no time for me to draw the base. Then the cutout here. So this is the isometric projection. Yep. the isometric view for that. That is that right there. My next step is to generate the orthographic projection. Viewing the front from here, front. So the front that you see from here, and this is I apologize for that. Now let's look on the orthographic projection. Looking from here, this angle, we will see the front. That's the front elevation. Now, please note that looking from here, we cannot see this cutout. We do not see this cutout here. We know that it is someplace here, up to here. So we use broken line to represent that. Also, looking from here, looking from this view, we would not be able to see this cutout here, but we know that it is located at a point here, right here. That is now done. Front elevation, which is taken from here, that is now done. Front view. Now, when we flip this down, we see the plan. So we project these down and we start somewhere between 15 to 20 millimeters. Yeah. So here, this would be this thickness. Here is this part up here. And of course, this is assumed to have a thickness of 10. And of course, you have a semicircle right here. And of course, this piece is cut out. And of course, looking from here, we know that there is a cutout here, but we cannot readily see the cutout from this view. So we use broken line to represent what we cannot see from here to there. To represent that. So this is our front plan view. Now, when we go back to the front, if we were to flip this across like here, we will be seeing something like this, semicircle. And here is semicircle. Here is like that. This here is the thickness right here. And this circle here, this circle, which have been here, that. And that is done. That is done. So now going back to the front, we flip this on this side. What we see is here. And of course, looking here, we will be seeing this circle. Also, this edge here, this edge here, we would not be seeing this edge here. So we'll put that in broken line. And this now is the orthographic projection We have the front, the plan view, the right end elevation, and the left end elevation on that side. Yep. So that's all there is to it, guys. The orthographic projection. Yeah.